another video of my chickens. The chicken sticks gone. I got chicken Boots and Ruth. Ruth is the rooster. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. Giving him some tomato. So this is Ruth. This is Marty. That's Everett. That's the princess. And over there is Alex. That's Stormy. And then there's Dallas and Groucho, but I don't know where they are. They might be in the garden somewhere. Ruth doesn't like my chicken boots, then he's gonna jump attack me if I get the boots. If I go down there, he's probably gonna attack my boots. There's a chicken stick. This makes Ruth doesn't attack you. These chicken sticks like make them back up. It also helps with like gathering the hens back into the coop. I can show you Dallas and Groucho later on. Just feeding them some tomatoes. Hermione gets most of the food. Well, we give her like the food before anyone else gets to. The others usually like peck her. Whenever she gets one, the others like try to get away from her. And so that's why she gets to eat first. But right now it's, I don't know, she's gotten quite a lot of tomatoes already. So I'm gonna go show you Dallas and Groucho. That's Dallas and Groucho's coop, and that's the main chicken coop. We have them separated because they'll attack each other, probably. I think Dallas and Groucho are in there. They might be having some baths over there. They're at rest. Dallas looks kind of like Alex. I don't know if I got a good shot. It's kind of blinding that right was over there. This is a trampoline. We don't use it much often. No, this is Dallas and Groucho too. I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are. So Groucho kind of looks like Princess, and Dallas kind of looks like Alex. So she's kind of on guard right now. Oh, where are they? Yeah, that's her. That's Dallas. And the one over here is Groucho. Face is in the... Yeah, that's them taking the dust bath behind a tree. Ah. There they are. They usually just hang around. Sometimes they go under there for like so bugs won't get to them. And I like nuts. They go away to let cool off and get away from the sun. Ruth has found something good in the pots, making his pluck pluck noise. Not much hawks coming around, but whenever they do, Ruth makes sure that we know. Whether we do or not, he's still gonna say it. He's not honest. sometimes hawks perch themselves on nearby trees. Hermione is blind in one eye. It's not that, I mean, the eye is just not there. I think it might fail to come out. But yeah, she's blind on her right side. So that's why that makes her the second easiest chicken to pick up. The first one's Ruth, and he won't really mind if we pick him up. I might be able to pick him up or not. I'm gonna try. This is Ruth. I'm gonna put him down. Ah. Hey, no. He's trying to attack me again. No. Go away. He goes. He's gonna go off and check on his girls. Yeah, this is basically enough to air my chickens, I guess. Doves and grouches don't usually hang out with the flock. They usually go off on their own, but they stick together most of the time when they go off. Yeah, that's basically it. See you later. Hello, Hermie. So I was supposed to say some jokes and stuff, but I forgot them. It didn't really tell me them like before I started the video. Well, I was supposed to tell some jokes, but I forgot them, so I apologize for that. My friend told me to say some of the jokes he made in the past, but I couldn't really remember them. So that's why I apologize for that. See you in the next video. I haven't been posting much lately, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to record my chickens again. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.